We have gathered reviews and opinions from all over the internet to give you the most comprehensive look at the 5 OP Funny Father's Day Dad Christmas Gifts mug. If you own this mug, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. The 5 OP Funny Father's Day Dad Christmas Gifts mug is a white, 11-ounce ceramic coffee cup designed specifically for those looking to bring a smile to their dad's face. The mug is emblazoned with the humorous message, "Dear Dad, thanks for putting up with Snotty. Like my siblings. Love your favorite." This playful sentiment is printed on both sides, ensuring the joke is visible whether your dad is left or right-handed. The mug is dishwasher and microwave safe, making it practical for everyday use, whether at home or in a restaurant setting. From the outset, customer feedback highlights the mug's ability to deliver exactly what it promises: a cute, funny, and memorable gift that is perfect for a laugh. Many reviewers describe it as exactly as advertised, emphasizing its suitability as a lighthearted present for occasions such as Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or even anniversaries. The mug's humor is gentle enough to be appropriate for a wide range of family dynamics, while still providing that extra chuckle that makes it stand out from more generic gifts. The mug is crafted from 100% pure white ceramic, which gives it a classic and clean appearance. The ceramic material is robust and feels substantial in the hand without being overly heavy. At 11 ounces, it holds a standard serving of coffee, tea, or any other beverage your dad prefers. The size is universally appreciated as it is large enough to be practical but not so big that it becomes cumbersome. The handle is ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip for hands of all sizes, which is an important detail for daily use. One of the most frequently cited positives is the durability of the mug. Users report that it withstands repeated cycles in the dishwasher without fading or chipping. The microwave safe feature is also valued as it allows for easy reheating of drinks without worrying about damaging the mug or the printed message. This practicality ensures that the mug is not just a novelty item to be displayed on a shelf, but a functional piece of kitchenware that can be used every day. The print quality is another area where the mug receives high marks. The text is crisp, clear, and vibrant, maintaining its appearance even after multiple washes. The double-sided printing means that the joke is always visible, no matter how the mug is held or stored. This attention to detail sets it apart from some other novelty mugs, which may only feature a design on one side or use lower-quality printing techniques that fade over time. In terms of versatility, the mug is suitable for both hot and cold beverages. While it is marketed primarily as a coffee mug, reviewers note that it works equally well for tea, milk, juice, water, smoothies, milkshakes, hot chocolate, cocoa, beer, wine, and even party cocktails. Some users have even repurposed it as a pencil holder or small planter, taking advantage of its sturdy construction and appealing design. This adaptability adds to its value, making it a gift that can find a place in any home or office. When it comes to gifting, the mug shines as a thoughtful and personal present. It is particularly well suited for dads who appreciate humor and enjoy starting their day with a smile. The playful message acknowledges the challenges of parenthood in a lighthearted way, making it a hit with both fathers and their children. It is also a popular choice for daughters and sons who want to express their appreciation with a touch of wit. The mug's universal appeal is reflected in its consistently high customer ratings, with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars from dozens of reviewers. The packaging is standard but effective, ensuring that the mug arrives safely and intact. It is presented in a way that makes it easy to wrap or include in a gift bag, which is convenient for those who are purchasing it as a last-minute gift. The mug's clean, modern style fits well with a variety of kitchen decors, and its simple white color ensures that it will not clash with other tableware. Despite its many strengths, the mug is not without its limitations. Some users have noted that, like most ceramic mugs, it can become quite hot when filled with boiling liquids. This is a common characteristic of ceramics and is not unique to this particular mug, but it is something to keep in mind if you are sensitive to heat. Additionally, while the mug is sturdy, it is still breakable if dropped, so care should be taken during use and cleaning. Another consideration is the specificity of the humor. While most recipients find the message amusing and endearing, humor is subjective, and there is always a chance that it may not resonate with every dad. However, the overwhelming majority of reviewers report positive reactions, with many dads expressing genuine laughter and appreciation upon receiving the mug. For those who enjoy a bit of playful teasing and family banter, this mug is likely to be a hit. In terms of value, the mug is competitively priced within the novelty gift market. Its combination of quality materials, practical features, and unique design make it a worthwhile purchase for anyone seeking a memorable and useful gift. The mug's popularity is reflected in its strong sales and positive customer feedback, which consistently highlight its appeal as a go-to present for Father's Day and other special occasions. The mug also stands out in the broader context of Father's Day gifts. While traditional options like ties, wallets, and socks are always available, they often lack the personal touch that makes a gift truly special. The 5 Op Funny Father's Day mug fills this gap by offering a blend of humor, sentiment, and functionality. It is a gift that acknowledges the realities of family life with a wink and a smile, making it both memorable and meaningful. The fact that it is dishwasher and microwave safe only adds to its practicality, ensuring that it can be enjoyed for years to come without extra hassle. Many reviewers also appreciate the mug's suitability for a wide range of occasions beyond Father's Day. Its message is general enough to be appropriate for birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, or even as a spontaneous gesture of appreciation. This versatility makes it a smart choice for anyone looking to keep a few reliable gifts on hand for future celebrations. The mug's design is also gender neutral, making it suitable for husbands, brothers, uncles, and even friends who play a fatherly role. The mug's popularity is further evidenced by its strong ranking among novelty coffee mugs, as well as its positive reviews across multiple platforms. Customers frequently mention the joy and laughter it brings to family gatherings, with some noting that it has become a favorite mug in the household. The combination of humor and practicality ensures that it does not end up forgotten at the back of a cupboard, but instead becomes a regular part of the recipient's daily routine. In summary, the 5 Op Funny Father's Day Dad Christmas Gifts mug is a well-crafted, thoughtfully designed product that delivers on its promises. It combines high-quality materials, practical features, and a unique sense of humor to create a gift that is both memorable and useful. The mug's durability, ease of care, and versatile design make it a standout choice in the crowded field of novelty gifts. Whether you are looking for a Father's Day present, a birthday surprise, or a way to show your appreciation, this mug is sure to bring a smile to your dad's face. If you have purchased or received this mug, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is valuable and can make a difference for those considering this gift. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. It helps support the channel and allows us to continue bringing you honest, in-depth reviews. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive look at the 5 Op Funny Father's Day Dad Christmas Gifts mug.